Have you been struggling to get a lot of leads for your business, especially with all these changes happening on Facebook, these RBI guidelines, Facebook ad accounts getting shut down, Google ads getting shut down? And this is what's happening right now. Those people who have been depending just on one traffic source, they are having a tough time. In this particular video, I'm going to be sharing with you 10 different traffic sources that you can tap into in the next few days to start getting more leads and qualified leads for your business. Okay, so take notes. My name is Siddharth Rajshekhar. I've been in the internet marketing space for over a decade right now, over 14,000 members in my community, and built a multi-million dollar business without any office or employees. Okay, so in the next few minutes, I'm going to be sharing with you all these 10, and I'm going to give you some resources that you can go and check out yourself. This video is especially if you're a business owner or if you're a coach or a trainer or an expert where you're running ads and for whatever reason your ads have been stopped and you're looking for other sources of traffic besides just Facebook ads. Okay, so let's get straight in. So the first traffic source, I want to just talk about what many people are using right now. The number one traffic source is Facebook ads. Let's talk about that and talk about what is it all about. So Facebook ads is more of demand generation where you can run ads on Facebook as well as Instagram, where people are not actively searching for anything, but you can create a demand by hitting them based on their interests and based on whatever are their inclinations. Okay, so Facebook ad is very cost effective. That's why most people are preferring that channel, and that's why most people are making that the primary channel. And when anything happens, their entire business goes for a toss. But anyway, that is still the number one platform where you can serve ads on Facebook as well as Instagram. The second ad traffic source are Google ads. And when it comes to Google ads, there are three kinds of ads. You can do search-based ads, display ads, and also YouTube ads. And this falls under the category what I call as demand fulfillment. So while Facebook is demand generation, here when people are actually searching for something, you're going to fulfill that demand by giving them whatever they're looking for. So if you look at Google ads, it's even more effective, especially for products where people are actively looking for a solution to their problem. So a search ad is what you would see on the search when you're on Google search. A display ad is what you may see like a banner ads on different websites that Google networks are connected with. And then you have YouTube ads, which is the most popular right now, where when you're watching a YouTube video, you may be watching this YouTube video and maybe there's an ad that comes up and you skip that ad to go to the next one. So there are skippable ads, unskippable ads, but this is a very, very powerful channel for generating traffic. So if you're not on this on Google networks, get your hands on that. Okay. The third type of traffic source is what we call as solo ads. And there's a platform called Udemy. You can see the link below. If you go to sidz.co/Udemy, you can actually go and leverage other people's email lists. It's a pay per email blast kind of a format. So how does it really work? You register yourself for free on Udemy using that link, and you can actually find other people who have large email lists and who are willing to send a blast to their email list promoting your product. Okay. Now, for example, if I have a big email list, I can charge you for based on how many number of clicks. Usually they charge based on the number of clicks and based on the quality of the list. There are some lists which are not so good quality, but you may pay cheaper to reach out more number of people, and the quality list you end up spending more. So if you're somebody who's again you want to leverage on other people's lists, this is a phenomenal way to do that. So the next traffic source after solo ads are influencer media. Now there are many platforms like iFluence, Shoutcart, Izia, Aspire IQ, HypeTap, and many other networks where you can directly pay these influencers for them to actually shout out on your behalf. Of course, you got to check the quality of the influencers, and there are rates that can vary up and down for the campaigns that you want to run. And this is not for direct tangible traffic, which you can still do, but it's more for branding purposes and get you to be more visible in front of other influencers. So these networks that you can see, or you can note down these names and go and check them out yourself. The fifth traffic source is buy sell ads. Okay, now this is a display network where you can actually go and buy banner ads, and they have a network with some of the biggest blogs and biggest websites where you can pay per impressions based on where you want that banner to be, whether inside the article on the right side or a big banner on the top. Depending on the positioning and placement of the banner, there are different pricing and structures that are there. So if you go to buysellads.com, you'll be able to learn more about this particular network. The sixth network that is there is what I call as native ad networks. Now, when many of the big brands, they use native ad networks, and here are some of the networks like Taboola, Outbrain, Rev Content, and EvaDev. Okay, EVADAV. Now, these are the networks where you can go in there, register yourself as an advertiser, and you can actually put money into getting into many of the other networks over there. Now, while buy sell ads is mostly like display based, on Taboola, Outbrain, Rev Content, and EvaDev, the dashboards look very similar to Facebook ads, but you can basically run your ads on many of the other directories and other high traffic websites that are listed along with these directories, and it's a really powerful platform. Now, the next seventh ad source is the Quora Ads. Now, many of you may be on Quora, where people are asking for questions, and contextually you can also run your ads based on the type of question, on the best and the type of keywords. Now, it is not very obvious like in the case of Facebook ads or Instagram ads. Quora ads are very subtle. Just like even LinkedIn ads, you have ads on the right side and the ad on the top when you're on your laptop and browsing from a web browser. Similarly, even on Quora, based on what kind of questions people are asking, you can actually drive ads towards them. They're actually aggressively promoting their ads platform right now. Many people are using their platforms right now. Cost wise, not really the best, unless you're very sure about your target market and you have like a really good strategy behind it. So this is a Quora Ads. So Quora is great for question-based ads for you to go and reach out to the right market. Number 8 are LinkedIn ads. LinkedIn ads are great for professional networks, and just to go back over there, it's a professional market, and there are 3 kinds of ads you can run. You can run in-mail ads where you're actually sending a message to their mailbox. You can promote posts and the basic ads that get people out, and even lead generation ads where you can collect leads within LinkedIn and then they go to your website. So that way you can also download you can also download all the leads from LinkedIn, and you can start to follow up with them, or you can even connect tools like Zapier and bring them into your system. So the other traffic source are LinkedIn ads. Number 9 is social media traffic, and this is like the organic traffic I'm talking about, not paid traffic. So doing posts on Instagram, on Facebook, on LinkedIn, and on Twitter, and getting more people to come to your website. Organic traffic by building your influence is the 9th traffic source, and which is a non-paid traffic source. And number 10, if you look at it, SEO traffic. So SEO is long form, keyword rich niche blogging. If you're going to be doing a long-term strategy where you're writing articles, like right now I have a guide, the ultimate guide. Just go and search for digital coach on Google, and you'll see that my website is ranking number 1 on Google for just the keyword digital coach, because I wrote an ultimate guide for digital coaching. And go and check out that guide. It's like a 10,000 word guide, and I'm using this as a long-term strategy for me now to reach out to newer audiences and to connect with them and to attract them organically. So right now, if I'm spending X amount of money to generate ads on Facebook and Google and some of the other networks, my goal is in the next 1 to 2 years, I want to generate the same amount or even more traffic without spending on ads by looking at the SEO strategy option. Okay, now it's a long-term option. Google algorithms keep changing. You need to follow their guidelines and make things happen. Okay. So if you found this particular thing useful, I would like to invite you to my next live masterclass. Okay. Now, if you're not a part of my community, you can go to siddharthrajshekhar.com and register for my next masterclass, where I will teach you more on how you can actually launch a successful business. And there's also a link in the description. You can actually click on that link and you can actually go in there and do it. And if you want to learn more about traffic generation, I want to introduce you to my mentor, Vic Strizes, who will actually teach you the details of traffic generation on a much more deeper level than what I've just shared with you over here. Okay, now you want to see that? So the secret to getting massive traffic is if you're able to continue on this learning journey. So I would like you to go to this link. I'm just going to share the link over here. If you go to this link, which is over here, sids.co/traffic, go and register, and you'll actually come to a page which looks like this. Let me just show you the page, and you'll be able to learn more about this over here. I'm just going to move to the browser. Okay. And this is like the secret to getting massive traffic, and how my mentor, he gets 100,000 targeted visitors per day. Watch this free video tutorial to learn more about traffic generation and how you can actually capitalize on these other traffic sources. Vic is a master of traffic generation, and he's the one that I've actually learned from when it comes to building my ecosystem and understanding the game from a very different and broader perspective, and also looking at how not to depend on one traffic source like I mentioned earlier. Okay, so if you're somebody who's just been depending on Facebook ads and not really getting results and stuff like that, okay, just go and register on sids.co/traffic, watch that training, complete the training. In fact, register on his programs if you're able to resonate with it, because this game of traffic generation is the ultimate skill that one can actually gain in today's fast-paced digital age. And if you can master traffic and conversions, then you can live that lifestyle of freedom. So I hope you found this video useful. Please share in the comment box what were your top learnings from this particular video. And I hope you found this useful when I shared all the top 10 traffic sources to get more leads in your business. Siddharth Rajchak here signing off. Cheers, God bless, and keep looking out for more of my videos. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Like this video, because the algorithm likes, when more people like the video, they get more of this kind of content, and you'll get more of my content. Hit that bell notification if you're on YouTube so that you can get notified. And if you're watching this on Facebook or any other place, please tag a friend who actually needs to know about this information. Wish you all the best. Take care and God bless.